The weekly code quiz. What is the default style of a link on a web page? The default style of links is to be blue and underlined. What is the default style of a visited link on a web page? The default style of visited links is to be purple and underlined. The link text is the text that the viewer sees on a web page to click. Where is that in your code? The link text is in between the A-opening tag and the A-closing tag. If we wanted to create a link to another web page, how would that be written out? A-opening tag, href equals https://www.websitename.com in quotes, link text, a closing tag. You would use the link element A, and the attribute href would be used to specify where you're going. So in the case of going to another website, you will have to put the absolute URL, which is the full website address, so it includes the http:// or https:// prefix. If we wanted to create a link to another page on our website, how would that be written out? A-opening tag, href, equals folder path / filename.filetype, in quotes, link text, a closing tag. In this case, you would use a relative URL. Instead of the full web address with the http:// or https:// you just need to tell the browser where to find the file relative to where you are currently. A-opening tag, href, pages / aboutus.html, in quotes, about us, a closing tag. Perhaps you have your home page, but you want to add a link to an About Us page. Browsers recognize the file index.html as the home page. Imagine that you have a folder called Pages, and that folder contains all the other pages of your website. To get to the About Us page, you would need to go into the Pages folder and find the About Us page. Pages / aboutus.html. When you are writing out a relative file path, what denotes going down a level or inside a folder? You use a / to indicate you are going into a folder or down a level. So for example, if you have your About Us page in a folder named Pages, the relative file path is pages / aboutus.html. When you are writing out a relative file path, what denotes going up a level or out of a folder? You would use .. / to indicate you are exiting a folder or up a level. So for example, if you are on the About Us page and you want to go back to the home page or index.html, the relative file path would be .. index.html. Presented by Designers Learn Code.